Hello, welcome back. So, question 3, we're on the 2B paper. So, after a passenger plane lands at an airport, there is a limited amount of time to get the plane ready for its next flight. Um, the table shows the activities after a plane lands at an airport. It also shows the length of time for activity. It will show the earliest start time and the latest finish time. Okay, and what they want from us is they want a Gantt chart drawn. Okay, this is nice and difficult because I'm going to have to get a second screen up so that I can see all of this information. But draw a Gantt chart for the process for 3A, and then for B, which task has the largest float time? So we'll look at that once we've got that there. Right, bear with me as I just open up another OneNote. Open it up, move it to the right. You're not going to see any of this because we're just tracking this on. I'm recording just by looking at one screen. So scrolling down. Okay, good. So for A, what are we going to do here? So let's get, first of all, along the bottom, probably the best freehand straight line draw I'll ever do. We'll have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140. And of course, 0. So that's going to be minutes. Okay, and then we'll have tasks. TASKS. So the first one we'll do is A. So A, early start time at 0. And it's going to have a late, it's 12 minutes and it's got a late finish time. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And I can just draw it as a bar. There isn't any float time there. So length of time is 12 minutes all the way across. For B, it's going to take 20 minutes and it starts at 12. I wish I could label it actually, but I don't think I should. So that one there goes to 12 and it's 20 minutes. So actually, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to go 4 squares back. And that is the late time as well. So there's no wiggle room with that one. For C, C can start at 12 as well. And it takes 30 minutes. So 12 plus 30 is 42. So it's just ahead of that line because each little square is worth 2. Draw that in. But the late finish time goes to 48. So 44, 46, 48. And we have a dotted line in for that. Okay, D. Plane is refueled. That also happens at 12. It's 18 minutes in length. 12 plus 18. As if I'm using a calculator, I don't want to make any mistakes. Gets me to 30, which is halfway through here. And doesn't actually need to be finished until 42 either. So that's got a bit of float time in it. Do a little dotted line for that. Right, E, refurbish. Let me find my line. Go to there. So rubbish is collected and trays wiped. Earliest start time is 32. So 32 is there. That's going to take 10 minutes, which goes to 42. No wriggle room for that one. F. Earliest start time is 42 for F. And it takes 40 minutes. So I can just jump across 2 big squares. Latest finish time is 82. So there is no wriggle room for that. There we are. Right, a G. Early start time of 42 again. That's okay. Takes 7 minutes. That's going to be very difficult to draw. 2, 4, 6 in the middle of those 2 lines. And we draw it up. Late finish time is 49, so there's no room on that one. H. H has to start at 42 as well. Takes 30 minutes. So that's 20. Hold on. H30. That's going to be a 72. So 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72 goes to there. Right, so, and it's got a late finish time of 92. So that is 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92. There we are, 92. That's got a big wriggle room as well. I should really be writing these down. D, how much did D have? That's got 12, because we need to know which one's got the biggest. H has got a difference of 20, hasn't it? So we'll check D. Is D right? From D, 18 to latest finish time is 42. I've done D wrong. D's got a late finish time of 42. So is E. Yeah, so D, actually, I'm glad I checked that. Good job we went backwards. Could have been an absolute nightmare. I'd have had comments all over the place. You've done that one wrong. You're a Wally. Right, 49 for this next start time. That's after this one, isn't it? After G, so I is in there. And then length of the time is 35. 49 plus 35 is 84. 82, 84 goes there. Across it goes. No float time there. J takes 4 minutes from 82. Small one. That can finish at 92, so 84, 86, 88, no, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92. And K is at 84, goes into there. Length of time is 8, so 84 plus 8, 92, 86, 88, 90, 92. No wriggle room. And then L starts at 92. 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92. 12 minutes. 92 plus 12, 104. With no wriggle room. There we are. That's my Gantt chart done. Now for part B. Which one has the largest float time? I think we agree that is H. So we circle H. And we are done. You can do these with bars, colour the bar in and have like empty bars for the float time. Either or is fine. I know that one of the texts taught you to do it as bars, and then when you get to mark schemes, it will have lines and thick lines. As long as the examiner is happy that you've done one or the other, that will be fine. And I will see you guys at question 4.